Hey everyone, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 40. If you're new here, hi, my name's Trina. I'm 48 years old. I make videos mostly about beauty devices and tools. So if you're interested in that topic, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram, where I post a lot of sneak peeks about the devices I'm testing before I have time to post them here on YouTube. I also have a private Facebook group all about beauty devices where we post all of our experiences about using beauty devices and help each other out. I will leave links to all of this down in the description in case you're interested. So for today's video, I have partnered up with Banish once again to tell you about their microneedling stamping tool starter kit that comes with a bunch of amazing skincare, and to tell you about a special offer that you can only shop through this video. It is a special offer that's only available to you, my amazing community. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why I love the microneedling tool that Banish makes, tell you all about their skincare that comes in the starter kit, and I have a demo showing you how I used the Banish tool to get rid of some of my hyperpigmentation. A quick caveat before we get started: if you watch my channel, you know that I'm already using the tripolar NVIG Edge device, which is a fractional radio frequency device that also resurfaces my skin. So I'm actively using that to resurface my skin, so I'm not using a microneedling tool right now because that wouldn't be a good idea to use them both. So the demo that I'm gonna pull for this video is one from last year that I made when I was using the tool. I'm not using it right now. Not everybody has the budget for the NVIG Edge, and it only ships outside the US for now. So if the NVIG Edge is not a good fit for you, this Banish kit is really affordable, and it can help address hyperpigmentation, acne scars, breakouts, and even smooth out fine lines. If you're going to use microneedling, this is the tool I recommend. I have some before and after photos when I did a 30-day test using the microstamping tool once a week along with the skincare to show you the results. So the skincare that I used was the microstamping tool once a week, along with the vitamin C serum and the vitamin C cream. And then I did use the vitamin C serum and cream every day when I wasn't using the microstamping tool, so the other 6 days. And then I used the pumpkin enzyme mask once a week. So that's what you're gonna see the results for in the before and after photos. This is my skin on the left side. You can see how the spots are definitely starting to brighten up. The texture of my skin looks more smooth. And then on the right side of my face, again, here's the before and after. You can see how the spots have definitely brightened up. And again, like, the texture of my skin looks a lot better. So the special offer that's available only to my community is if you buy the Banish Starter Kit, you get an eye cream for free. And this is their Instant Lift Brightening Eye Cream. It's valued at $72. And when you buy this starter kit, you get the microneedling stamping tool, or the microstamping tool, along with all of the skincare for $195. And if you purchased it separately, it would be $275. So you're saving $80 when you buy the kit, and then you're getting the eye cream for free. So in total, you're saving $152. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you all the skincare in a little bit, but first I wanted to talk through why you would use a microstamping tool. This particular tool, it's 0.5 millimeter needles, and you use it once a week. And what you're doing is stamping your skin and poking tiny holes in your skin to force the skin to heal. And in that healing process, your skin is producing collagen. This is also referred to as collagen induction therapy. And not only are you using the stamping tool to create little holes in your skin, you're creating microchannels for the skincare to penetrate deeper into your skin. So when I was using the tool, I was stamping my hyperpigmentation, creating those little microchannels, and then placing on the vitamin C serum and the vitamin C cream. And by using those vitamin C products, I was accelerating the brightening of my skin. Like all of the devices I show on my channel, it takes around 30 days for the new collagen to come to the surface of your skin. So you have to stay consistent, just like with all the other devices, but this one you use once a week, where you're creating those holes and then your skin is healing and new collagen is being produced. It takes 30 days to come to the surface. As you're using this on a weekly basis, you're applying that vitamin C skincare onto your skin, and it's allowing those spots to brighten up even faster. So it's a really nice combination. And what I really like about this is that one of the top questions I get is, if I'm using microneedling, what skincare can I use with it? I love that there's no guesswork in this kit. You get everything you need, and all the skincare products work with the tool, and you can use the tool and the skincare to help address your specific concerns, whether it's hyperpigmentation or acne scars or fine lines that you're trying to smooth out. So I just really love that you don't have to worry if it's gonna work for your skin. I'm gonna unbox this kit so you can see what comes in it and show you all the rest of the skincare. So you get this little pouch, and inside are detailed instructions, which I love, showing you how to use the Banisher. So you've always got this right in here in this little pouch. The tool comes sealed, which is very important because when you're using microneedling, you want to make sure that everything is super clean. The tool, your hands, the surface that you're working on, like your desk or your bathroom counter, your skin, you want to make sure that everything is super clean. And I love how they make that a priority with this tool. It's in this little case, and then we'll take it out of the case. And what you'll notice right away about this tool is that there's a cap that screws on and off that keeps the tool inside. Let me show you real up close the little needles. These needles are 0.5 millimeter. They are 24 karat gold plated titanium bristles, which promote collagen, and the gold has antibacterial properties. And when you are not using the tool, you store it in the cap, which keeps it really clean so it doesn't get contaminated with anything in the air. And before you use it, you actually fill up this cap with alcohol and then soak the tool in the alcohol before you use it. And I'll show you that more in the demo portion, but I love this design because it keeps the tool clean when you're not using it, and then you're able to easily disinfect it before you use it. And I know there's a lot of controversy floating around online about how you shouldn't use microneedling at home, and I think you can use it as long as the needles are short enough. You don't want to use super long needles while you're at home. There are some needle lengths that only should be done by a professional, but these are 0.5 millimeter, and the way that you store it and use it, it's going to be sterilized and clean. So as long as you make sure that your hands are clean, your face is clean, the counter is clean, and the tool is clean, make sure you follow the instructions exactly, and you will be fine to use this at home. And besides the design and the cap and how it stays sterilized, the reason why I love this device is that you are stamping it straight into your skin on the areas you're trying to treat. And if you have other tools that are rollers, like a microneedling roller, I think it's really easy to damage or tear your skin as you're rolling the needles across your skin. So I have stopped using those type of derma rollers. I really like to use a micro stamping tool like this because you're literally stamping in and out. The needles go straight in and straight out wherever you're treating your skin, and it just creates such a clean microchannel for the collagen induction therapy and for the serums and creams to go further into your skin. I can show you this graphic here that shows the difference between a traditional derma roller and a micro stamping tool like this one, and you can see how much better this type of tool is. And when you purchase this kit, you get 24/7 VIP personalized support. So if you're nervous or you have questions before you use it for the first time, you can reach out to Banish and they will help you, because it can be quite daunting to get started with a tool like this because you are poking holes in your skin and you want to make sure you're doing it right. So you can watch my demo and look at the instructions or contact their VIP support to get help. So this is the tool, and then the starter kit comes with all of their best-selling skincare, all in one kit, saving you $80. So the first one is this vitamin C serum that comes in that little pouch that I showed you. And I really, really love this brand. All of the products are clean. They don't have any artificial fragrance, and I just have always loved how these products make my skin look and feel. You can use the Banisher tool up to 8 times, but then you can buy a new one, or you can just continue to use the wonderful skincare like I've been doing, and I just love it. So this is the Banish Serum. It's a dark spot corrector with vitamin C and E, and this is what you will put on your skin after you finish the stamping. And I'll show you how it looks on my hand here. Look at that glow. This is a clear vitamin C serum with L-ascorbic acid, and it also has vitamin E, and it's called a dark spot corrector. It makes your skin really, really glowy and erases dark spots over time. And if you already use vitamin C, you know that it can turn bad really quickly. Some vitamin C serums turn yellow or orange when they've oxidized, which means they're not going to be as effective. It's really hard to keep vitamin C stable. It's freshly made in small batches, so that it's not sitting on the shelf for a long time. So when you get it, it's going to be fresh and it's going to be potent. And this vitamin C serum is stabilized with ferulic acid. And then the next one is the vitamin C cream. This is a lightweight brightening moisturizer. I really love this moisturizer. I will show you how it looks. I use this after I put the serum on as the next step to lock in that serum. Again, fragrance-free, lightweight, clean. I really love this skincare line, or I wouldn't be making this video. It helps reduce the appearance of dark spots, firms your skin, evens out your skin tone, repairs your skin barrier, and it's perfect for oily skin or acne-prone skin. I have combination oily skin. My T-zone is really oily, and I do have acne-prone skin around my jawline, and their products never break me out. The next product you get in the kit is this Fighter Gel. This is a gel that calms breakouts and eczema. This is a cooling anti-inflammatory gel that reduces acne without drying out your skin. It's a solution for redness, acne-prone skin, and eczema. And then the last product in the kit is this pumpkin enzyme mask. This is an AHA exfoliating mask. This mask is perfect for this time of year because it literally smells like real pumpkin. It smells like I want to eat it. It just goes to show you how clean and fresh these products are. It looks like pumpkin puree. This mask I use once a week in addition to the microstamping tool to further brighten up my complexion. It resurfaces the skin with natural AHAs, reduces oily skin appearance, reduces congested skin to help clear pores, blackheads, and prevent acne. It improves dullness and improves skin clarity and skin tone. So that's all the skincare you get along with the microstamping tool. And when you purchase this kit, you get a free eye cream. This is the Instant Lift Brightening Eye Cream. And it comes with this little scooper so that you can make sure you don't contaminate the product by sticking your fingers in it. So I'll take a little bit out here. This eye cream is packed with anti-aging ingredients to lift, brighten, and firm your eye area. And I like to tap it all the way around my orbital bone, so I'm not just getting the benefits under my eye, but also on the sides where my crow's feet are and on the top of my eyes to help firm up my hooded eyes. I do that with all my eye creams. This eye cream helps your eyes to look more awake and lifted, lightens up dark circles, helps reduce puffiness, reduces fine lines around the eyes, and helps to increase skin firmness around the eyes. It feels soft, light, and slightly cooling, and I really love this eye cream. This eye cream has so many amazing ingredients. It has green tea, peptides, witch hazel, Matrixyl 3000, CoQ10, provitamin B5, vitamin C, licorice, lactic acid, squalane, glycerin, and more. It's such a great eye cream. I find myself grabbing it almost every morning just because I love how it makes my eyes look and feel when I'm starting my day. And it's so cool that you can get it free with this special offer today. So basically, if you deal with hyperpigmentation, textured skin, scarring, or acne, this kit is gonna be amazing for you. One thing this kit does not include is any SPF or sun protection, so make sure you're wearing your daily SPF. I like to wear an SPF 50 every single day, and I like to reapply every couple hours, whether that's with a stick or a spray or a powder. Or if you want to go the extra mile, you can get a sun shield, which I like to use when I'm treating my skin specifically with tools and devices for my hyperpigmentation. I like to use my Bluestone sun shield that you'll often see me wearing on social media. All right, so now I'm going to get into the demo portion where I show you how to use this microstamping tool. The first thing you need to do is sanitize the Banisher. I've taken off all of my makeup, my skin is clean, my hands are clean, my area that I'm working on is clean. You twist this cap off, and then you fill the cap up to the line with 70% isopropyl alcohol. I filled it up to the line, and then I screw the tool back into the cap. It's sitting in the alcohol, and it's sanitizing it, and I'm gonna keep it in here for 5 minutes. And then after 5 minutes, you unscrew the tool from the cap, and then you're gonna let it dry for 2 minutes. So I just set it aside and let it dry. Now comes the fun part. I'm actually gonna show you how I use the Banisher tool on my dark spots. So you can see here I have all these dark spots on this side of my face, and so I'll start with this spot here, and I'm just gonna take the tool, I'm gonna stamp it right into my skin and just press it in, and then what I'm gonna do is rotate the tool 90 degrees, and I'm going to continue to stamp into that spot 4 to 5 times. So I generally do 5 times, so 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's that easy, and it doesn't hurt much. I'm very used to microneedling. It can be a little bit more sensitive if you're doing your forehead area or other parts of your face that are more sensitive, but I don't find it to hurt that much at all. So I'm going to continue to do the rest of my face here and just treat all that hyperpigmentation. And then you can see here my skin is quite red, which is what you would expect from a microneedling tool. And this is also why they recommend you do this at night. You can see here I do have an acne spot here, a hormonal acne spot that is still healing. Once this is healed, once the acne's all gone away, I'm definitely going to use the Banisher on it to try to diminish the scarring and the discoloration, because this one has been so stubborn to go away. It's been so annoying. Okay, so that's this side of my face. Now I'm gonna switch over to the other side of my face. And I do have this old acne scar right here on my face. So I always start there and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this area is a little bit more sensitive and I definitely feel like I have to sneeze. So that's totally normal. Excuse me. Definitely you may start sneezing if you haven't microneedled before. Don't be alarmed. And your eyes might water. So now I'm going to do the rest of my spots here. And there you can see I'm done with the side of my face and it is still pretty red. I like to put the tool back into the cap and swirl it around, and I'll rinse it off with some hot water, and then I'll squirt some more of that alcohol on it just to get it nice and clean, and then I let it dry, and then I store it right in the cap to keep it clean and away from any bacteria that could get into it. And I also like to keep it in the cap because then the bristles or the needles can't bend if they're protected by the cap. So I just really love the design of this. That is it for the demo portion of the video. It's really easy. Banish does offer a 45-day money-back guarantee. So if it doesn't work for you, you can return it to get your money back, even if the skincare is empty. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you grab this special offer before that eye cream sells out, because there are limited quantities of this gift with purchase. The link and the code to shop this special offer are down in the description below. I thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, share with a friend, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!